see it
Shut it
still on.
It's not important.
Take a picture. I'll take it.
All right. Tell me what's going to happen with this 805.
All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Cadet Senior Master Sergeant Pantaleo, and well, we spent in the accumulated hours. We spent 12 hours building this. So what's going to happen first is a ball is going to go through the tube, which is going to knock all the dominoes down, and the end domino is going to pull a pulley, and the pulley, or not the pulley, the device right here has a ball inside, which will go down the tube, and I'll let you take it from here, Casriel.
It will go down into the funnel, knock this domino contraption over, which will tip this, pulling this, dowel out underneath our spaceman, who will drop down, pulling this cord, setting off our popper.
All right, the floor is yours. So do a reset. Do a reset.
Damn it.
If you have to make any adjustments during the reset, go ahead and make those adjustments.
What the hell happened?
The dowel was set too tight.
Oh, did he fix it?
I don't know.
Gregory, did you fix the dowel? It's not tight. It was set too tight.
Set it on the edge.
Okay. Is it set on the edge? Let's try it again.
Yeah, first. No, here it is.
Let's try it.
Again.
I like the spaceman.